Hey guys, Pevin here, and today's UI design tip is to use skeleton loaders. So skeleton loaders are these loading things that you see here, which reduces in opacity. So if it's fully loaded, you will see something like this, which is the chords of text. So while it's loading, it may be because of a network latency or anything. So while it's loading, your users will see something like this, so they know, okay, the chords are going to come there, and they can wait for it. So while you are designing something like this, just think about how the loading will be rather than full page, like a spinner loading. Skeleton like this will be easier for the users to understand, okay, something is going to come here, and we can load other parts of the website, such as this search, settings, everything we can load. And while this is loading, we can load other parts of the website rather than full page just showing a spinner. So yeah, try it out when it's loading. So you see there's no difference between really the card size, nothing's changing. So it's just a one-to-one replica of the card with some loading state. So yeah, try it out and see if it works for you. And yeah, add skeleton loading states to your web apps. It'll look better. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.